Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today's video is all about a collaboration challenge that I am joining in, hosted by Dahlia Designs, Deb Houck, and it's called Fun Making Jewelry. So each month on the 18th, Deb gives us some ideas of what the challenge is going to be all about. For instance, this month, which is November of 2024, she wanted us to use, work with topaz, a yellowish tan. And it didn't have to be topaz, but something that could represent the stone of topaz. A smoky quartz, black diamond, multi-layered piece, either necklace or bracelet, using seed beads, crystals, and heavily in design. So I went around digging in my beads and I found these that I thought would work really well for a quote topaz. They're just glass topaz beads. It's not really showing up very well on the video. It almost looks green when I'm looking through the screen. In person, though, it definitely looks like a topaz in color. So I'll be using those for sure. And then the smoky quartz. I thought about using these, especially since it said to use seed beads. But I think the holes in here are going to be too small. So we're not going to use these, even though they would be pretty cool. Instead, I'm going to be using something like this. These are little E-beads. They're kind of a smoky quartz. And, you know, I don't have real smoky quartz, so I'm kind of having to revamp things a little bit, but that's okay. I am going to use, if I can find it, I want to use some black cording. Where did it go? Hang on a second. All right, here's the black cording. It's just wax cording, and I think I'm going to use this, and I'm going to make an adjustable bracelet. And then for the black diamonds, again, I don't have black diamonds, but I do have these really pretty crystals, which, in addition to the seed beads, she wants us to use crystals. So this could be the black diamond crystals. Aren't those pretty? I love the bling in them. And now it said a multi-layered piece. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not much into multi-layered pieces. I don't like wearing them when it comes to, especially like necklaces. I tend to get tangled in them a lot. I would rather make something like instead of a multi-layered necklace all put together, I would, like, if it's a 3-strand necklace, I would make 3 separate necklaces and wear them layered. That's more how I like to do it. Plus the fact, when you do it that way, not only can you wear them all together, but you can wear them separately. So if you had 3 pieces, you could actually wear it 4 different ways at least. Anyway, that's kind of my thought process. And let me show you what I made. Here we go. I made a multi-layered bracelet. And this is, like I said, it's made with wax cording. And I put all those different beads on here. It's adjustable. I just used for a slip knot, a sliding knot. I just did a square knot, series of square knots. And we have the little black diamond crystals and the smoky quartz seed beads, and then the quote topaz. And I really like how it worked with the black. And this was really pretty easy to make. It's a Pura Vida style bracelet. And basically all I did was cut 9 different strips here and tied them together with 2 other different strips, burned them, did the sliding knot, and boom, we have ourselves a bracelet. Let me know if you would like me to do a tutorial on how to do a bracelet like this. And if you would, if you want to, or if you want me to, I can make another video showing you actually how I make these bracelets. But in the meantime, I hope you go check out all the other participants of this challenge. I'll leave information all about how to do that down in the description box below with links to all the participants. And it'd be interesting to see how they interpret this particular challenge. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.